Okay guys, if you get a code C0044 or C1142 or any code that pertains to laptop breaks, okay, alright, don't run to the shop and spending all your money giving it to the mechanic, you know what I'm saying? Alright, this is what you do if you drive, especially a Ford Fiesta. Okay, it could be a couple problems, but the first thing you must do must check your brakes booster. Your brakes booster is always a problem. Okay, number one. Okay, this is what you do. I don't know if you guys could see. Okay, this here is your booster hose. Okay, you pull this hose out. When you pull this hose out, if air come out, there's nothing wrong with your booster. Okay, all right, but that don't mean that the booster is still good. All right. This I gotta get my other phone. This is too big. Okay, guys, this is what you do. Okay, to check your booster, right? You gotta pull this out. Pull this out. If air comes out of this, you know the booster is good. Okay, see that? Air comes out. Okay, next thing you do, let me get the keys. Let me get the key. No keys. Okay, show you something else. Okay, start the car up. Something that really happen is that your booster pin does stick. Right, you see? Reverse, go forward. Okay, the brakes locked up now, look. Brakes is not moving. Okay, this is what you do. Take your foot and lift the pedal like this. Lift the pedal like this, you see? Now it loose, now the car go back and forth. See that? I'll show you what the problem here is. Okay, all right, just remember, the brakes lock up, take your foot and pull the pedal up. Okay, let me show you what is the problem. Okay, let me get the light here. Ah, shucks. Okay, I can't see. Okay guys, this is what I'm talking about. You see these brakes right here? You see there? You see that pin in there? Oh, you see that pin right there? You see where the red, orange grease is? You see this pin right here? There's a pin, let me see if you could get it from here. Right, this pin right here, you see this? This, grease it up. First spray some WD-40, grease it up. After you grease it up, pump the brakes like this a few times. Pump it, work that pin in, and that should solve your problem. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more video, for more tricks and tips how to save money on your auto. Thank you for watching.